So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that in figure this ABCD is a square. So this is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. This is a square and the side of the square is 6 centimeters. So this side is 6 centimeter and all other sides like this and this are also 6 centimeter because in the square all sides are equal and HEF is a semicircle. So this is H point, this is E point, this is F point. So this is a semicircle. You can see that. And GDH and CFG are quarter circle. So so this is G, this is D, this is H. This is a quarter circle. You can see, and this is another quarter circle. You can see, and this is a semicircle we previously discussed. So we have to find this blue shaded area. So you can see that this is a blue shaded area. We have to find the area of this whole blue part. So let's see how we can solve this. So you see this figure. Let's consider this whole area which I'm colored in yellow as a yellow area. So this is our yellow area. And let's consider this is our red area, this is our green area, and this is our orange area. So you can write blue area as this whole yellow area, which includes all these yellow parts. And if you subtract this red part, this green part, and this orange part, then you can easily see that this is our blue region. So this is the strategy. So we can find blue area as yellow area minus red area minus green area and minus orange area. So you see this figure. In this figure, we know this AB as 6 centimeter. So this is also 6 centimeter and this is the center. So we know this is 3 centimeter and this is 3 centimeter and which are radius of these quarter circles. So this quarter circle and this quarter circle both has a radius of 3 centimeter. We can easily see that. And this is our this is our semicircle. And we know let's r dash be the radius of the semicircle. Then we know 2 times r dash is 6. So we can say easily r dash as 3 r dash is equal to 3 centimeter, which is the radius of this semicircle. So we also know the radius of this semicircle now. Now let's proceed further. So let's assume r be the radius of this orange circle. So this is our orange circle. Let's r be the radius of this. So this is the center of the circle and this is the point on the circle. So we know from the center to the any point on the circle, this distance is radius and this distance is also radius. We know this is 3 centimeter which we calculated, which is equal to the radius of this quarter circle. This quarter circle radius is 3 centimeter. So this distance is also 3 centimeter. So now you see that we can calculate this PG length as we know this whole length is 6 and this PE length, we know this is the diameter of this circle which is 2 times the radius. So we can calculate this PG length as EG minus PE, which is 6 times 6 minus 2R. So EG is this whole length which is 6 and PE is the diameter of the circle, so it will come as 6 minus 2R. So now you see the triangle OGC. In that O is this point, G is this point, C is this point. So in this triangle, we know this is 90-degree angle and this is a right angle triangle, and we can apply the Pythagorean theorem as OC square is equal to OG square plus GC square. This we know as R, this is 3, so this is 3 plus R whole square. OG value you can calculate this whole as 6 and this distance is equal to the radius. So this remaining distance is 6 minus R. So it is 6 minus R whole square and this distance is 3. So this is 3 square. So from here you can solve this. It is come like 9 plus R square plus 6R is equal to 36 plus R square minus 12R plus 9. This R square and R square cancel. This 12 R you can take to the left hand side. It will become like 18R and this 9 and this 9 cancel. And here it is 36. So 18R is equal to 36. So R you can get as 2 centimeters. So the radius of this circle is 2 centimeter. Now we know all the quantities and now we can calculate all the areas. So let's initially calculate this yellow area. Yellow area we can calculate as like you see yellow area is this area plus this area. So this, this area you can see that this is half of the square area. So which is this 3 times this 6. So it is 3 times 6, and this is a semicircle. So the semicircle area is half times pi times its radius square. We know the semicircle radius is 3 centimeters. So this is half of the circle's area. So which is half times pi times 3 square. So this is 18 plus 4.5 times pi. It is the this yellow area. So we now know the yellow area. Now we can calculate the red area. Red area is this area, which is the 1 by 4 times circle area. So it is 1 by 4 times pi times this quarter circle radius square. So its quarter circle radius is 3, so which is square is 3 square. So it will come like 2.25 times pi. And similarly, this green area is same as this red area, which is also 2.2 times pi, because the radius of both the quarter circle are same. And now the remaining thing is this orange area, and we know the radius of this orange circle, it is 2, so area will be pi times 2 square, which is 4 times pi. Now we can easily calculate the blue area. Blue area is which area? Blue area is this area, this all shaded part that I draw in this figure. So this is our area, which is simply the yellow area minus red area minus green area minus orange area. So this is yellow is 18 plus 4.5 pi, and this is 2.25 pi, this is 2.25 pi, and this is 4 pi. So this is cancel, and the remaining is 18 minus 4 pi centimeter square. So this is our blue area which we have to calculate. So in this way we can calculate this blue area. So in this way we can solve this problem.